And hey, honey.
Hey.
How do you like the snow?
I like it. It's cold. I wish Maury was here.
Yeah.
He's off somewhere, I think, shopping.
Why is he shopping?
Because Harvey is a bit.
Oh, come on, Harvey can't be that bad.
She took Usa-chan from me.
Why'd she do that? She probably was just cleaning it or something.
Just because of Usa-chan.
Didn't you just spill like a whole bunch of crap load of coffee on it?
No. Maybe. It's not fair! She still took Usa-chan!
Oh. But she did give you cake in return.
Maury wouldn't let me eat it. Damn. Cavities.
You got another cavity. Eating too many sweets. That's why you have to brush your teeth.
Toothpaste lucky.
What if we got cake tasting toothpaste?
That'd be weird.
Well, I think that there's actually, we can get some made for you.
I hate brushing my teeth.
Well, yeah, others you'll get cavities again.
I hate cavities.
Exactly. Which you hate more, getting cavities or brushing your teeth?
Brushing my teeth.
So you'd rather get your teeth drilled than brushing your teeth and not getting drilled?
I like brushing my teeth.
That's what I thought. Oh, look! There's a playground!
Playground! It's too high up.
Oh, then come down then.
I can't.
There's a stairs.
It's still too high.
I'll come and get ya, honey. Do not attempt this at home. Come on.
Meh.
Come on, honey. Come on. Yeah. Go slowly. Don't kill yourself.
What should I act like now?
Random people, whichever, and it's recording. Ah, my camera's gonna like fall off.
I was going to do a somersault.
Totally, you should just do a somersault.
How cold is it gonna be?
It's snow, what do you expect?
It's cold. Ow.
That must have hurt. I dare you to go try and I dare you to go try and climb the water tower.
God, no! I'm afraid of heights. Unless, of course, it's for Yowie. Then I'll do it. But this isn't for Yowie.
Yowie's up there.
Yowie's down here.
Down where exactly?
Really?
My batteries are going dead. This is sucky. My batteries are like going dead.
I need to carve something in the snow, but with what?
Use your hands.
I'm gonna use a shoe.
Where the hell are you gonna use your shoe?
Might not work.
Shoot! Good.
Love. Language!
I don't care. YouTube doesn't care. And my hands are like somewhat cold. No. It's too bright out. Yeah. No, you should just put like a giant like heart around it.
Okay. Well, put a heart around Yowie. It's gonna be really hard.
Hey, you're doing fine. That is one awesome looking heart.
Hand printed.
Woohoo!
God, my hands are cold.
Random trees.
Now we are going to a commoner store.
Yay! Let's go. This is going to be fun.
Okay, stop recording until